Shri Sai Shakti Educational Society was established in 2008 by the NRI couple and their parents with ideal determination to serve our society by imparting high-quality education with value-added professionalism and to march forward by constantly reminding the purpose of our existence by relating one of the shlokas in Sanskrit, Paropakararthamidam Shariram, means this body is gifted to serve others. To put the nation on the track of prosperity, give the people the torch of education, said by George Bernard Shaw. Globally, professional challenges are very high and technical skills are more and eating the brains of today's student. To make them self-confident and self-assertive, Sai Shakti Engineering College, established in Chittor district and making its efforts to twist the students as professional individuals. With this motivated mission, Sai Shakti Engineering College, zooming its vision by narrating the human values blending with the clean and green sensible flavor of living values to be a good citizen of the society. Where the vision is 1 year, they cultivate flowers. Where the vision is 10 years, they cultivate trees. Where the vision is eternity, they cultivate people with education. Think big, think fast, think ahead, and ideas are no one's monopoly is the way Sai Shakti Educational Society promotes its students to the present society. Foundation must have two things. One is purpose, secondly dedication. These two things rigidly require an emotional commitment. That commitment will be built in as a part of the personality of anyone who really call them as founders. With this high profound quality, the founders rooted to the ground with a seed of education and named it as Sai Shakti Educational Society. At one fine blooming morning, it expelled as Sai Shakti Engineering College. It is glittering with its educational and entrepreneurial experiences with uncountable dimensions because they have rich academic background and also experience in the industries were established at USA, UK and India. The promoters of this institution consist of Mr. M. Venkataraju with double MA optionals as History and Politics, also did BSc, MEd and SDTB, chaired as a chairman and president. Others are Srimati M. Koteshwari, TTCH, DTB as vice president, NRI couple Sri M. Koteshwara Raju MTech as joint secretary, and Srimati M. Hema, MSc with Biotech and Business Management from Warwick, UK University as secretary, Srimati Kumuda Palagiri, MSc MBA as treasurer, and Sri M. Balaramaraju as an executive member of this institution. Apart from those, Dr. C. Chellaya, MCom, MA with Economics, MPhil with Marketing, PhD in Management, and Dr. C.V.R. Krishnakumar, MVSc, PhD, are giving utmost support as Board of Directors. Health and medical care also taken care by our senior doctor, and he will be available all the time in the campus. In addition to this, separate hostel facilities are also available for boys and girls with ensured safety and security. To reach the campus, it is a 60-minute drive from Chennai International Airport. By road, Tamil Nadu and Andhra state transports operate buses on both directions between Chennai-Tirupati for every 20 minutes. College buses also operate during college timings. By train, the nearest railway stations are Tiruvallur and Tiruttani. Kanakamachatram is 20 kilometers from both these towns. To complement the theoretical knowledge, we established the latest state-of-art technological labs covering the civil, electrical, mechanical, electrical and electronics and computer science departments. all are fully equipped, and more than 50 students at a time they can engage to use the laboratories. To say about laboratories, we have computer lab with server room, 2 language-related labs, physics and chemistry labs in separated way, IT, civil and mechanical labs are available in separate constructed locations. The IT infrastructure of Sai Shakti College was designed for 21st century because the seminar halls and Wi-Fi enabled library would allow professors and students to access the latest instructional technologies as part of the learning process. Hostel rooms are equipped with Wi-Fi enabled internet access via fiber optic connectivity. Students can access digital library from the hostel rooms. The digital library consists of extensive books and journal collections to support the students, professors to take up the projects, teaching workshop and training programs. The collection also includes electronic information sources, including electronic journals and multimedia. LibSoft web version digital library and library automation service are installed in the library, which will give our students to access many journals, resources and ebooks. Dedicated PCs with multimedia are set up in the digital library, which will help our students to access the digital information, means videos, ebooks, e-journals, educational DVDs and CDs. As the students proceed with curricula, the library facilities and services help the students to complete their assignments and prepare them to achieve better results. We procured recommended texts and reference books for the modules of all academic faculties. Sai Shakti Engineering College was established in 40 acres of land with abundant gardens and landscaped between mango, teak and neem trees. It provides healthy atmosphere to walk on its well-structured roads illuminated with solar lights. The Sai Shakti Engineering College is located at Kanakamachatram, which is 40 kilometers away from Chennai Poonamalle. However, it comes under Andhra Pradesh state, to say exactly 80 kilometers from the temple town of Tirupati. The college is surrounded by Sri Perumbudur Sipcot Industrial Estate, which is housing manufacturing units of leading companies like Flextronics, Motorola, Samsung, Ford, Saint-Gobain, Hyundai, Hindustan Motors, Mitsubishi, BMW, Jabil, Dell and Nokia plants with a distance of 35 kilometers. Sri City SEZ is on its way becoming a hub for large and small scale industries with a distance of 35 kilometers. Thank you for watching and listening our virtual tour.